Current Affairs June month of 2020. First is Awards category. Kritika Pandey honored with Commonwealth Short Story Prize 2020 for Asia region for her story The Great Indian Tea and Snakes. Executive Chairperson of Biocon Limited Kiran Mazumdar Shaw has been named as EY World Entrepreneur of the Year 2020. Poet and writer Javed Akhtar became first Indian to receive Richard Dawkins Award. Indian aerospace entrepreneur Ranjit Kumar honored with NASA Distinguished Public Service Medal. Indian American scientist Ratan Lal won the World Food Prize 2020. Shobha Sekhar, founder of the Kalakriti Music Organization, won Medal of the Order of Australia. Chef Angad Singh Rana won Quality New Zealand Award for Seafood Culinary Cup 2020 by Stephen Fleming, New Zealand, and Vaibhav Bhargava for metal lamp preparation. Okay. Amrita Sen won the Peace Prize 2020 for the German book trade. Next category is appointments and personalities. Pradeep Kumar Tripathi became the new Secretary of Ministry of Steel. Okay, Brajendra Naveed became the next ambassador to WTO, World Trade Organization. And Sibi George became the new ambassador to Kuwait. Sushil Kumar Shingal became the new High Commissioner to Papua New Guinea. Ravish Kumar became the next ambassador to Finland. Gayatri I. Kumar became the next ambassador High Commissioner to United Kingdom. Monica Kapil Mohta became the next ambassador to Switzerland. Rahul Shrivastava became the next ambassador to Romania. Shambhu S. Kumaran became the new ambassador to Philippines. Vijay Khaluja became the next ambassador to Zimbabwe. The capital of Zimbabwe is Harare. IAS Winnie Mahajan became the first woman Chief Secretary of Punjab. Varinder Kumar Sharma became the new DC of Ludhiana. Ludhiana is my city. Okay, that's why I have written this in my notes. Okay, Anandiben Patel of UP given additional charge of Madhya Pradesh. United Nations honored Kerala's Health Minister KK Shailja. The next category is sports. Post Authority of India (SAI) extended the tenure of Sandeep Pradhan as Director General for 2 years. American tennis star Jamie Hampton retired. Sri Lankan fast bowler Shehan Madhushanka suspended after alleged possession of heroin. Japanese tennis star Naomi Osaka has become the world's highest paid female athlete with 30.7 million euro. And among male, Roger Federer is the highest earner. Okay, Virat Kohli is the only cricketer in Forbes list 2020 who bagged 66th position in the list with highest paid athletes, and Roger Federer topped the list. 2022 Asian Cup Women will be held in India. Vice Captain Rohit Sharma become first brand ambassador of IIFL Finance and Oakley Sunglasses. Okay, Rohit Sharma became the brand ambassador of IIFL Finance and Oakley Sunglasses. FIFA India ranks 108th position and Belgium at top position. Justice DK Jain got 1 year extension as BCCI Ombudsman Lokpal. Okay, Wasim Zafar became the head coach of Uttarakhand cricket team. JSW Cement has signed Saurav Ganguly and Sunil Chhetri as its brand ambassadors. Leader choice. Legend of Sohaldev, the King Who Saved India is the book launched by Amish Tripathi. Union Cabinet has given international airport status to Kushinagar Airport, Uttar Pradesh. Rahul Dravid beats Sachin Tendulkar in Wisden India's poll. Phone Pay tie-up with ICICI Bank on UPI multi-bank model. England's Claire Connor has become the first female president of MCC. Liverpool won the English Premier League 2020. New Zealand wicketkeeper Rachel Priest retired from cricket. Okay, Rachel Priest is the woman wicketkeeper of New Zealand. Indian umpire Nathan Menon inducted in ICC Elite Panel. Nikki Punacha elected as player member to ITF Tennis Men's Player Panels. Australia and New Zealand will host FIFA Women's World Cup 2023. Now overseas and celebrities. Forbes highest paid celebrity Kylie Jenner and 52nd Akshay Kumar. 13-year-old girl M. Nithra from Tamil Nadu has been appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador for the Poor by UNADAP. Dixon Scholarship ₹1 lakh to M. Nithra and ₹5 lakh she donated. Okay. Actor Pankaj Tripathi became the brand ambassador of Bihar Khadi. He belongs to Bihar. Pankaj Tripathi. Carthaean D. Sullivan first became the first woman to reach the deepest point of ocean, that is Mariana Trench in Challenger Deep in Pacific Ocean, and the depth is 35,810 feet. Mariana Trench is the deepest point in the world. Okay, it is in Pacific Ocean. Ajay Devgan became the brand ambassador for Arogya Setu app. Anmol Narang became the first observant Sikh to graduate from US Military Academy. WWE legend The Undertaker, whose real name is Mark Calaway, retired. Priyanka Chopra and Anurag Kashyap named among ambassadors at TIFF, Toronto International Film Festival. Michael Martin became the new Prime Minister of Ireland. The capital of Ireland is Dublin. Now, business and banking sector. Summer treats. HDFC Bank offer no-cost EMI. Rajiv Topno became the senior advisor to ED of World Bank. IndusInd Bank started mobile-based current account opening facility. G20 Group pledged over $21 billion to fight COVID-19. Maruti Suzuki partnered with Karur Vyasa Bank for flexible financing. India's rank in Swiss Bank is 77th in holding of money. Okay, England topped that index. Okay, T Ravi Shankar became new chairperson of IFTA's Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services. Yes Bank partnered with Afford plan to launch Swasth Card. ICICI Home Finance launched Saral scheme for affordable house loan. World Bank lent 1950 crore rupees to West Bengal to tackle COVID-19. NABARD extended 270 crore rupees to Assam Gramin Vikas Bank. India signed 177 million loan to Asian Development Bank to improve road in Maharashtra. Next category is Ministry and Defence. Missile Park Agniprastha to be set up at Inskalinga, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. IIT Madras created lightweight alloy to replace steel aluminium in cars magnesium alloy. Okay. LIC launched PM Vay Vandana Yojana for senior citizens social security. Mohua, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and the portfolio is given to Hardeep Singh Puri. Launched the PM Swanidhi microcredit facility scheme to street vendors, rupees 10,000 loan. Okay. Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar launched Nagar Van Urban Forest Program. Government of India launched TULIP, the Urban Learning Internship Program for fresh graduates by Mohua and AICTE. Indian Air Force developed Rescue Pod Arpit, airborne rescue pod for isolated transportation and evacuation. Ministry of Women and Child Development set up a task force headed by Jay Jetli. IIT Guwahati developed Flyzai mobile app for consistent and contactless air travel during pandemic. India signed MU Memorandum of Understanding on Energy Cooperation with Denmark, country of winds. Okay, Denmark is known as country of winds energy. Okay, the capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. Next is states. Manipur's Khodol listed among top 10 global initiatives for an inclusive fight against COVID-19 pandemic. Al NGO. Okay. Kerala free internet to poor K-phone. Chhattisgarh Spandan campaign to check mental stress among the police personnel by music and yoga therapy. This initiative is inaugurated in Chhattisgarh. Uttarakhand CM Trivendra Singh Rawat started Mukhyamantri Swarozgar Yojana for returning migrants. Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan launched Rozgar Setu scheme for skilled workers. Chhattisgarh new scheme Rajiv Gandhi Kisan Nyaya Yojana for farmers. Madhya Pradesh Didi vehicle service by women of rural livelihood mission in tribal districts, for example in Jhabua, Madhya Pradesh. Maharashtra Me Annapurna scheme by ADA integrated risk insurance for welfare of farmers. Karnataka State Health Register, okay, new scheme in Bengaluru. UP has partnered with SIDBI and launched startup fund for providing employment to the migrant workers. Odisha cabinet gives state anthem status to Bande Utkala Janani. Manipur CM Biren Singh inaugurated a plant health clinic. Rajasthan government launched a Raj Kaushal portal and online Shramik employment exchange to improve the opportunities for migrant workers. Uttarakhand, okay, Gadsai became the summer capital in Chamoli district as the summer capital of Uttarakhand. Okay, Odisha became first state to get ISO certification for tribal hostels in Keonjhar and Sambalpur. Himachal Pradesh Panchvati Yojana for senior citizens of rural areas to set up parks and gardens. UP new scheme Bal Shramik Vidya Yojana to educate child laborers. Uttarakhand, okay, biggest biodiversity park in Haldwani. Andhra Pradesh CM YS Jagan Mohan Reddy launched Jagannath Chedodu scheme to provide financial assistance to tailors, barbers and washermen. Hyderabad Police launched 3 programs for women. Punjab, the new scheme Ghar Ghar Nigrani app to check the community spread of COVID-19. Kampagode Bangalore International Airport became the first airport in India which installed an aviation weather monitoring system at its runway. Kampagode Bangalore. Okay. iCompete initiative launched on World Environment Day 5th June by RK Singh, Ministry of State for Power and Renewable Energy. Dr. Vishwas Mehta became the new Chief Secretary of Kerala. World Bank approved $750 million emergency response program for micro, small and medium enterprises MSME. Adidas roved in Manushi Chiller Miss World 2017 as its brand ambassador. Okay, you can take the screenshot of these things if you want to. Okay, revise it in later on. Okay, you can take screenshots of any picture during this video. Okay, these are the current affairs from the month of June 2020. Thanks.